Hi everyone. So today we will discuss about join component in AbInitio. So join component is one of the transform component in AbInitio. So join is one of the transform component. So it is very costly component in AbInitio. Costly in the sense not pricing. So it will be use lot of data, and why? Because it is having lot of parameters. So it will check all the parameters to run the job. Okay, so when we are running the graph, if it is we are using join component means it will check each and every parameter to run this transformation. So we will see what are the parameters in join component. So I remember parameters like this: C, S, K, J, D, D, S, O, M, R, L. Okay, so these are the parameters we are using in join. So count, sorted input, key, join type, dedup. In dedup we have dedup 0 and dedup 1. Similarly, for select we have select 0, select 1. In join we have override key 0, override key 1, max memory, reject threshold, login. Okay, these are the parameters in join component. So what is join component? Join component to join multiple input data set based on a common key value. To join multiple input data set based on a common key value. So we have two inputs. Okay, we need to join using key. Okay, so two tables or two files we need to join means we will use join component. So based on the key we will join. Okay, so these are the parameters. In sorted input we have input must be sorted and input must be sorted, and in memory sorted. In memory sorted means input doesn't need to be sorted. So if we choose input must be sorted, it is the default. We will get these are the parameters. If suppose if we choose in memory sorted, we will get parameters will be changed. If we choose in memory sort, default is input must be sorted. If we choose in memory sorted, so here we will get max for driving port and maintained order. Okay, so these three parameters will add if we choose in memory sorted. Okay, so coming to interview point, so they will ask you different types of questions here. So one is input must be sorted, in memory sorted, related questions you will get. So what is the difference between input must be sorted, in memory sorted? Why we are using override key? What is override key? And what is driving port? Okay, what is max port? what is max memory. Okay, so these questions you'll get, or they will ask you join types. What are the join types in join? So we have in memory, inner join, full outer, and explicit join. In explicit join we have left outer join, full outer join. Okay, so how you will choose? So if we choose the explicit join, you will get options: record, required parameter, true or false. This is for 0, this is for 1. So if you choose here true and here false means you will get left outer join. If you choose here false, in record required parameter is false and record required parameter 1 will be true means full outer join. Okay. If you choose both true means you will get inner join. You can also perform using explicit join, inner join. Both false means full outer join. So okay, please check that once. Okay. So now we will discuss about inner join. Okay, join types. We have join types, right? Inner join, full outer join, explicit join, left outer join, full outer join. So we need to know what is this inner join, full outer join, explicit join clearly. Why? Because in interview the technical person will give the input and output, and they will give inner join, outer join, full outer join, output, what output we can expect, like that they will ask. Okay, so now we have A table and B table. This is inner join output, inner join, left join, full outer join, right outer join, full outer join. Okay, so they will ask, they will give A, B, and they will ask inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. So here I will take one scenario and I will explain how the output will come. So here record A table or A file is having two records, 1 and 1, and the B table or B file is having three records, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So A is having 1, 1, B is having 1, 1, 1. So what is the output of inner join? What is the output of left outer join? What is the output of right outer join? What is the output of full outer join? So you will confuse. So here two 1, 1 records are there. Here two 3 1, 1 records are there. So here matching 2 records and here also matching 3 records. So so you will say 1, 1 is matching 1 or 1, like the 2 are matching. So you will confuse 4. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 1 matching 4, like that you will. No, or else 1, 1 is matching and 1 matching 5. Okay, so if you are saying answer 1 or 1, 1 or 1, 1, 1, 1 like this means that is the wrong answer. Okay, so how you will answer this question? So here we have 2, 1, 1s, means 2 1s. Here we have 3 1s. Okay, 3. So what is the output? You will get 6 1s. 2 into 3. All matching. Okay, here 2 matching and here 3 records are matching. So you will multiple 2 into 3, 6, and the output is 6. The same will be left outer join also you will get to here it is true and it is, you will give false. Okay, here also you will get two records are matching with three records. You will get here also output 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Right outer also same. Here you have three records and here you have two records. 3 into 2, 6. Okay. So here we have full outer join. Full outer join means the combination of both. So you will get all the records from the B table and all the records from the A table matching. So you here also you will get 6 records. Okay. So we will see the practical now. So here I have first two records. I'm saving join underscore 1 dot dad file. So here we have three records. Join underscore 2 dot dad. So now we have taken three files. So take input file, two input files, one output file, and a join component. Okay. So we will see parameters once. CSK found to sorted input to key. Okay, I forgot to mention transform. So transform, we will do the transform. This is the transform component, right? So transform is one parameter. So join type dedup 0, dedup 1, select 0, select 1, override key 0, override 1, max memory, reject threshold, and login. Okay. So here we have transform also. After key, we have transform parameter. Okay. So now we will read the files. Join underscore 1 dot dad. Here will you join underscore 2 dot dad. And we will write DML for the second file. Decimal. Here the digits only we have, right? So we will read as one line. So ID. Column name is ID. So here we will take first DML. Decimal slash, slash r slash n ID. So here key is must. So you are adding a key. So in join component, we must give key, and after giving key, you must give order ascending or descending. Okay, that is must. Then transform. See, in join component, you are taking first input in zero ID. Okay, so you also must. We will see what is the text mode here. So here out.id in zero.id. So if you are keeping like this, you will only get only first in zero table records only. So whenever you are running right outer join or right outer join or full outer join, you will not you need to get records from the second table or second file also, right? So you will not get. So that's the reason you need to take the input from both input zero ID and in one ID. Okay. So now see the text mode. So this is the first priority. First we need to take from first file. Then if required, we need to get from the second file also. Okay. So default type is inner join. Okay. Default type is inner join. So we don't need to keep with anything extra. So we are running now. Sorry. Join underscore one dot date. So we will read the data first. We will read second file also. So here first file is having 1 1, second file is having 1 1 1. We will run now. See here you are getting two input and here first file is having two records, second file is having three records. You got six records output for inner join. Okay, 2 into 3 6. Suppose you have taken full outer join. See, 6 records. I'm refreshing. 6 records. You want to do left join. Left join means you have to click on explicit join. In explicit join, whenever you are clicking on explicit join, you will get record required 0, record required 1. So if you keep record required is 2 means left join. If you keep record required is 2 here and here false means right join. So now we will see the output. 6 records. Okay. So similarly, if you choose right outer join, record required is false. Record required 0 is false here. Record required is true here. Okay, 6 records. So you understand, right? So if you have two same records in first file and three same records in second file, we are doing check combination and checking join based on the key means you will get like this: 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 2 6. Okay, full outer also you will get 6. Okay. If in case if he is asking like this 1 1 1 1 means you will say answer like this. Suppose you want to confuse you they asked you like this 1 2 1 1 2. If he asks like this means what is the output? A B. So here what is the output? Inner join What is the output for inner join? What is the output for left outer? So here one record is there. So you are checking with two records, 1 into 2. So here one record is there, 1. Here two records are there, so 2. So checking with 1 into 2 means 2, right? So you will get 2 1 records. Okay, and 2 is 1 record. Here also 2 1 record. So you will get 1 2. Okay, 1 1 2. This is the inner join you will get. So we will check left outer join. Left outer join, how will you get? It will check first file. Okay, this is 2 and this is false. So 1, you similarly 1 into here 1 is having, here 2 ones are there. So 1 into 2, 1 1. 2 also it is 2 into 2, 1. So 2. Okay, left outer join. So right outer join. 2, here you have 2 records, here matching with 1, 2 into 1 2. Okay, so here you will get 2 ones, and here 1 record is there, here 1 record, 2 into here 1 into 1 is 1 only, so you will get 2. Full outer join. So it's a, so here you have 2 records, 1 1. Similarly you will, it is matching both, so right, you will get, we will see this one is all records are having same, right? So you will see output ones. I'm also testing right now. Okay, join 1 is having 1 2. Here we have 1 2, save. Join 2 is having 2 ones. Okay, save. So we'll see, refresh. So first file is having 1 2. Second file also refresh. We have 2 ones. So we are using now. First we will see inner join. See, we have taken 1 1 2. 1 1 2. Now again we are doing inner join. So 3 records we got. So refreshing here. See what output we got. Here 2 records and here 3 records. 1 into, here you have 2 records. 1 into 2 2. So 1 1. Here you have 2 matching, 2 matching. You will get 2. So we'll see another join type. Full outer join. Three records. Same 1 1 2. Okay. So even left outer join also you will get 1 1 2. Right outer join also you will get 1 1 2. So don't get any confusion. Okay. It is very simple way. You can able to answer. You know the answer. Okay. They will confuse you. So it is very simple to you to answer. So we will see one more last one, and we will go with other explanation. So we have override key, driving port also, right? So we'll discuss that also. So 1 2 3 4. Here we have 1 2 3 4. here we have 1 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so how you will get inner join, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. So see, first one is here one you have, here you have two ones, right? Here one, here two records, 1 into 2, 2 records, 1 1 inner join. Here you have 2 2, you will get 2 3, here also you have, here also you have 3 4, first file you have, second file you have 4. Okay, so this is the inner join. Left outer join, left outer join. So first file, this is true and this is false. Okay, so 1 1 1 into 2 1 2, so 2 ones we keep here, and 2 will keep here, and 3 4. Okay, so we are checking only first file, right? So we will not keep 5 right outer join. So right outer join, we are checking this is true and this is false. So how you will give 2 ones into 1? Okay, you will get 2 right? So 2 ones, 2 3 4 5. This is the right outer, full outer join. So both match. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. How you will get 2 ones, 2 3 3 4 5. Okay, this is the one. So we will see practical one, this one. Okay, join one is 1 2 3 4. Join one is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Join 2 is 1 1 2 3 4 5. We will see. Refresh the first file. 1 2 3 4. Refresh the second file. 1 1 2 3 4 5. So first we will see the inner join. See, you have 5 records. You see what are the 5 records? 1 1 2 3 4. 1 1 2 3 4. So you will see left outer join. Explicit join. Then you will get record required is true here. Here it is false. You run. Same 5 records. Refresh, you will get same 5 records. Okay. Now we will do right outer join. Here will be false, and record required one parameter is 2. So we will run. Six records we got. See. Now we will get 5 also. Okay. Now we will see full outer join. Six records. Okay, so it's very easy. You no need to get any confusion. It's very straightforward. Only you have to, if suppose you are checking here one record and here you have 3 matching records, means 1 into 3. So you will get 3 ones like that. So here we have 2 matching and here 3 matching. 2 into 3, 6 matchings you will get. Okay. So here you have 1 and here you have 2. 1 into 2, 2. So 2 ones you will get. Okay. So it's very, very simple. Okay. So please try to practice once. You will get output and you will be remember. Okay. It's very, very easy to answer. And if you are saying this giant type related scenario correctly means mostly 30 to 40% they will think you are having knowledge on scenarios are working like that, they will think. Okay. So in join component we have Cartesian product means we have kept keys ID here. Okay, here we have kept key ID. Key we kept ID. Suppose you not mentioned any key, you kept key is null means if you kept key is null means that is Cartesian product means what is the output here 4 here 6 records 4 into 6 24 records you will get output. Okay, 4 into 6 24 records you will get. For any joint type you will get same records 24 records. If suppose interviewer asking you if the key is null in joint type joint component, if key is null in joint component, what is the output? Simply you need to multiplication 4 into 6 24 24 output records you will get. Okay, see 24 records. What are these 24 records? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Okay, like that you will get 6 times 4 into 6 20. Okay, it's very simple. Please remember if they are asking if key is null in join component, what is the output? I think there's a Cartesian also something is there. You can say that also. Okay. So hope whoever seeing this video, they may understand this one and they can say answer correctly in the interview. Okay. In join component. So here we have ID as a column name. Here you have ID as a column name. This is first file and second file. So you kept keys ID here. Earlier you kept key ID here. You matching the record and done the joining operation. Okay. Suppose here key is ID. Here key is here column name is ID. Here column name is number. They will ask how you will join. So if suppose key is column name is ID and column name is here different means how we will join. So for that only we have in join component override key. Override key option is available in parameter override key 0, override key 1. What is override key? We need to join two fields with different field names. If we need to join two fields with different field names, these fields we need to match, but the field names are different. Here ID, here is number. So we need to join two fields with different field names. Here ID, here num. Then we will use override key option. So how you will use override key option? Here you kept key is ID. Okay. So in override key 1, so this is 0 and this is 1, right? In override key 1, you will keep num as field. Okay. So here you kept num. Okay. Now we will run. Okay. So what error we got? In transformations, what we get out.id in one.id. That is wrong, right? Now we have changed the column name. So in one dot num is required. In one dot num. Okay. Now validate, run. See, you have 6 records. Here two field names are different. Here ID, here num. We are able to join. How we have in join component override key option. We need to join two fields with different field names. We will use override key option. Okay. So that is one. And we have driving port. Driving port when it will enable, if we keep sorted input, in memory input need not to be sorted option. In memory means you will get driving 0. Driving 0 is the default. Maintain order and max score. These three parameters enable when you choose sorted input. Okay. So driving 0 means what? What is 0? 0 means this one. First one. This is 0. This is 1. So if we are keeping driving 0 means this is the driving port. This is the driving 1. Okay. Suppose this is the larger data set means we will keep driving is 0. So it will take data from here in 0. This is the small file. Okay. So these data will be stored into in memory. That is the reason we have choose sorted input in memory. Okay. Sorted input in memory. Okay. Larger input data set must be driving port. All other input data sets will be stored into in memory. Okay. So this is about join. So you will get what is the join component and what is the driving port, uh, what is the default number for driving port, what is override key, what is the output for, suppose they will give this type of scenarios 1 2 3 4 1 1 2 3 4 like that, and they will give scenarios, and they will ask you the output. So this one 1 1 1 1 1 will get mostly in interviews. Okay, this is the interview question only I have given. And if key is null, what is the output? Okay. So hope you understand join component. So please practice once and you will also get clarity. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video.